Like, what did I do wrong? Why it's not working? Hi guys, it's me again, back to YouTube. And I just wanted to say, like, because I didn't say when I will be posting like my videos, and I think that now it will be like a bit like in a mess because it's vacation and stuff, but like when the school will start, I will try to post one video weekly, and it will be on Friday because why not? So yeah, I think that I'll be posting those videos on YouTube on every Friday, one video per week. I mean, maybe I'll try to do like more videos, but because there is school and stuff, I think that I will be able to post only one video on week. So yeah, let's get started. So I think that by the title of that video you probably know what type of video it will be. I mean, I don't know why am I doing that, but I think that it may be fun, I guess. So yeah, let's get started. So we got a bowl. That's a glass bowl. I mean, I did slime only like once in my life and it didn't work. So yeah. I mean, I even bought like a shaving cream when I don't shave. So that's how guys I love you, and I am buying a shaving cream to do a slime because I love you guys, and like you are in my heart, and I hope that you love me too. So I found the recipe that you need to get like get a glue, like white glue, and I have it. So I have also like another glue, but that's like, does it work? No. Oh, I need to do that. I am so sorry because it's like really not professional. Like that setting is like not professional, but like that is my like second video on YouTube. So I'm sorry for the lightning, but like I did the best what I could do to like make it like professional, but I need to buy like a lamp. Oh yeah, I have an idea. When I'll hit 10,000 subscribers, I will buy a lamp. Okay, so I have like a bowl of white glue. I don't know, but like I have it. So the thing I also have is like glitter, and like I have a lot of glitter, but I don't know what color I will use because there's like a lot of glitter, and I don't know, maybe I will mix them all. That's a good idea. I don't know. I also have I don't know what that is. That's like a color. I also have a blue color to color my glue. And I have some soda because that's soda and you have to use it. Okay, I need to get a spoon. Oh my god, my legs. Okay, I'm here again. So I need to get some soda. And I think that making a slime, I think that can be fun. Okay, I hope that this time the bowl won't like get the first place. And yeah, I am taking. They said that I need to get like a half of teaspoon of soda and do that. So to the slime, you need to get soda, glue, Opti-Free, which is like, it's something what you need to pour into like your eye lenses. So yeah, so in the video they were like something like that, so I will do that also. And now, my dear, we need to mix that. I'll mix it. So I don't know if that will work. Yeah, that's not working. That's not work. Oh no, it works. Actually, it works. Is it? No, it's not. Is it? No. Well, you know. But I still have a shaving cream. Okay, I get some instruction and I need to get a half of a cup of like the shaving cream. So I will do that. And like I have never used a shaving cream. Oh my god. What's that? Is that enough? Oh, that smells good. Oh my god, that smells good. I don't know if that's like a half of, I don't know, but I will just like throw it here. I think that I can add just like a little bit. Okay, I think that I have no idea how to make slimes. Look at that. It's not a slime. It's like, I don't know what that is. Maybe if I will like, that's a lot. Is that working? No, it's not working. I don't... Maybe I like... But like on YouTube, everything is like more simple. Like, this is not simple. Or not, but like, it's... Oh my god! Oh my god! More soda! I need more! I need more soda, please! I need more soda. Maybe I have some soda. It started... Oh shit, that's too much. I think that it started working. Oh my god! I'm a genius! I don't know. It's like, it is definitely a slime, but it's like... Oh shit. to that bowl, and like it will be great. It will be great. So I have some food color, I don't know, food color, and I would just like, you don't know, but that's sweet. Like, it is sweet. It's all the color. Oh my god, what happened to that? Oh my god. Oh no, I have some glitter. Look. Shine bright like a diamond. Wow, that's really nice. Oh my god. You don't know, but that smells really good. Well, it's not that bad, you know, but like, it could be better. Oh no. But like, okay, I mean, yeah, you know. I think that is the end of that video, because it went a little bit too long, and I just imagine that editing that video will be so long. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. I guess okay, I know that I didn't do like a proper slime, but at least we had fun. I don't know, are my teeth blue? So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed, and see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment in the comment section what videos would you like to see, because I don't know what you want me to do, and I'm here for you. So yeah, bye.